Hey guys, we have another great product to review. It's a USB microphone.
USB microphone made by Raleno, or it might be Raleno. Raleno, tomato, USB microphone, model number M30. Go ahead and open that, Jen.
There is a... Oh, this is cute. Ta-da!
There she is. What do you have in the box? You got a cable in there somewhere?
There. This is a...
Got a tripod. Got the USB cable.
Trying to...
Great for vlogging, which Jenny does.
Yeah, I can use this in my laptop.
It's a nice design.
You can put this on.
Plugs in nice and easy.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Let me zoom in on this thing. And I see it has
You can adjust the volume.
Volume control. Very important. We have volume control. And I heard someone say there's a mute button. But it's nice and solid. This is not plastic.
No, it's not.
Now the mic cup has a cardioid pickup pattern, which is great. And on the stand here, it can be adjusted all the way up, all the way down. But I really like that it has a little bit of weight to it. It's nice and solid. So let's get out the laptop and test out the quality of the sound.
It's taking so long to take a picture. Oh my god, someone's watching me. Hi guys, hello. This is only a testing to my microphone. Ayan guys, this is my microphone. Ayan, somebody's watching me. Shout out to you. Somebody's watching me. They have an audio there. Oi, let me know. Is there an audio? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Who's watching me anyways? This is only a private, but there's someone's watching me. There's our one viewers. Hi, shout out. And this is only testing to my microphone if there's an audio. But I see the green here in the bottom is moving, so I think they have audio.